a greedy goat. G is for goose. G is for green. G is for guitar. You know some G words now, so let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 G. Your turn. G, 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 G. G.
Hello everyone. It's me again, and I'm here with your 7th lesson. If you have not seen the previous lessons, then click on the subscribe button and watch all the lessons there. Let's get started. This is a lowercase g. This is an uppercase G. Now it's time for phonics. G sounds G, G, G. Very good. Now let's do vocabulary. G for grass, grass, grass. What is this? This is grass. G for guitar, guitar, guitar. What is this? This is a guitar. G for goldfish, goldfish, goldfish. What is this? This is a goldfish. G for grapes, grapes, grapes. What are these? These are grapes. Yay! We are done with yet another lesson. Stay tuned for lesson 8 coming this Sunday and click subscribe for much more.